Right, here's a video to help you find some missing angles. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in the information I'm given. I'm told that angle SRW, so here's S to R to W. I am told that this angle is 85. So I'll put that in. Now you have a straight line and you have vertical angles here. So if you deal with the vertical angles, that's when you have these crisscross lines. So that means that this 2x plus 15 has to equal that 85 because vertical angles are congruent. So I can do 2x plus 15 equals 85. And then I can solve that by subtracting 15 from both sides. So I'm going to have 2x is going to equal 70. And that means that divide by 2, x is going to equal 35. So if you put that 35 in, 2 times 35 is 70 plus the 15, yep, you got your 85. So both of these angles are the same. Now we can also put the 35 in here. 2 times 35 is 70 plus 10, that's 80. And we have a straight line here from T down to W. So that means all of these angles on a straight line have to add up to 180. Right now you've got 85 and 80, so you've got 165. You're missing 15. Let's make that 15 a little better. All right, so now we're looking for the measurement of angle VRU. Here's V, here's RU. So there's your 80. And URW, URW right here is going to be 15. Hope this helps you with that problem a little bit.